Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and in this video, I'm going to be going over how to identify what the backset is on the Adams Rite style aluminum storefront hardware. Now, the two most popular sizes you're going to see out in the marketplace today is going to be the 31/32 backset and the 1/8 backset. Now, let me show you how to measure either on the door or on the lock. Now, if you're going to measure on the door, you're going to want to do it from the edge of the door to the center of the hole where the mortise cylinder goes. But if you have the lock in your hand, all you have to do is hold the faceplate up to the lock like this, and you can identify it that way. So is what we're going to do here. Let me flip it around so it's flat on this side. You're just going to take your tape measure. You're going to put the faceplate up here like that. You're going to hold it, and you're going to look right down there in the middle. So if you look right there in the center of the mortise cylinder hole, you're going to see that 1/8 mark right there. So you're going to know that the backset for this lock and for this door is going to be 1/8. In the same way, if we grab this one here, we just hold this faceplate up here like that. Take our tape measure. Hold it up there. As you can see, it's just right under 1 inch. So we know it's going to be 31/32. Now, some locks are also going to have on them stamped what the backset is, which is great. I went through a bunch of different ones, including some OEM Adams Rite, and there is no marking at all on them. So if you don't have a marking, or if you go up and you need to measure a door, you know just to do it from the edge of the door to the center of the hole, and that's how you're going to get your backset. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.